Hey guys, once again, welcome back to Craftastic Forever. And today I've got a really cool review for you guys. I've been waiting this whole week for reviewing this to you guys. This is a dual tip brush pens art kit review. So as you can see on the title, it was actually worth more than 1,000 rupees. And if you wanna know where I bought this from, I got this from Amazon as a gift. So you'll probably see this on real price for 1,300 rupees, or you can say 1,300 rupees. So this is a really cool and nice quality branded dual tip brush pens kit. So you'll get this apparently means that one side will be brush pens, on the other side you'll get a pen tip, which is like color pens, you can say. So this packet contains 36 colors as it's written here. One tip is brush and one tip is pen, as I said. And so these are all the colors you can get. This company is Ohuhu from Chinese and Japanese. It's China Japanese company, and it's actually exported from UK. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm also gonna show you all the colors and swatches of each of them. Also gonna show you how to do a little calligraphy with it. And if you want a full calligraphy video with real brush pens, then do comment down below. I have done one of these in my previous videos, but my old brush pen was super clunky and cheap quality, but this one is really cool. So let's get started. So I'm gonna use this whole new book, which is my art book, or it used to be since before COVID-19. So let's get a page. So I'm gonna use this page right here. It's a little color, but no worries. And oh, I also forgot to tell you, this also comes with a color chart card, and you can also check all the colors in each of these boxes, but I'll be showing you onto a paper. So all of these colors, let me just take them aside. Okay, so I thought it would be better for me to do all of these swatches off camera, so I'll just go off camera and do all these swatches and show you which color is which. Okay, so apparently I underestimated the colors. You can see the chart here, and well, they spilled all over my table and it's just a havoc. Anyways, so these are all the colors you can get. You can pause and see the chart, or you can also get this color chart here. You can get this color chart, which you need to splash them. And here's a checking chart if you want to check the colors again. So from my opinion, these are super juicy, super cool, super nice, and texturable and easy to write as well. Let me just write a letter and show you. Okay, so I'm gonna use this blue here. So since we have some space here left, I'm gonna write a word. How about, let's say I'm gonna write a letter first. So even I'm a beginner in this area, so I've seen a couple of videos on calligraphy based. I mean, I've done calligraphy a few times before, but not in professionalism. But I can write a little bit, as you can see. So this is a G, and it's not my best writing ever, but I've tried. So see you till next time, you guys, and I'm gonna practice this more in this culture, and I'm sure that I can master it. And then if you want, do comment down below for me to show you the beginner steps, because I've already done that. So stay creative, stay sweet. We'll meet next week, and bye bye. Oh, and don't forget, next week will be my first video of the new year. The first video of the new year. So be sure to check that out. I'll be doing something special or something simple, but I don't know, since it will be my first video of the year next week. because this is the first year I've started my YouTube channel. So here's the ending of the year, and stay creative. Bye bye.